I'm gonna set you. Oh, god dang it, this stuff just rolled down the stairs. Yeah. Trying to get this place cleaned up. What do you think about it now? Destroyed. Lionel Richie in Paris. Last thing here. But, what am I gonna do? I had something I just lost. Something I thought would be funny. Dang it, this camera just gives, this fucks everything up for me. Yep, last vlog up here though. So, then I'm moving out. You going to college, Dr. Driscoll? No, fuck college. God dang, I don't know anymore. Going. I'm going. I just lost my collector's edition. I think. Yeah, I did. I lost the collector's edition of Fallout 3. He's a bobblehead. He's a bobblehead. He's a bobblehead. He's a bobblehead. You get to see all the weird shit. That's what it was. All the weird shit I had in my room before I left out. I'm a fucking genius. Pink fuzzy handcuffs. Pink fuzzy handcuffs. You know, so when I ram her to some dubstep she can't move, she gonna have to just take it. Pink fuzzy handcuffs. And they look gorgeous. I'm a Scorpio. Gotta put these up. I wouldn't even really care if someone was like, people with pink fuzzy handcuffs are so gross. I was like, nah, I brought mine right here though. Canned air. They didn't have a box for these because it got crushed. But these are actual Japanese solar panel moving cat things. Yeah, so I got, these are like actually my wife's, but these are like, for me, it's, she left them here. So, they're authentic Japanese. Like, I'm not even, nobody's, I don't know if you can, look, like, legit, Yokoso, Japan. Like, you see that? I don't think I'll see that. Like, legit, that's Japanese. You don't even know what the fuck that says. The only thing like said you can read is the Yokoso Japan. Look, that's insane. Look, and then look on the back. Look at the instructions. The only thing in English on the back is no battery. Do you not? You see that? Legit, true Japanese. And if you're like, oh my god, you're so otaku, you can eat a dick. And I got something to say. I killed a baby today. It really doesn't matter much to me, but as long as it's dead. Misfits. Woo! Dr. Driscoll listen to Misfits. I'm a music producer. I listen to everything. You'd be like, do you like Justin Bieber? And I was like, you're good. Wow! What? You got one? Yeah. Motherfuckers loud, you can hear them all through your house. Oh, this was inspired by Little Marvin Gaye and Chardonnay. Yu-Gi-Oh, son. Yeah. Y'all probably could beat me, because about time. This is an old deck I relied on. Like, everything isn't old, which it's not bad for an old deck, but everybody I go against has like these new cards called Exceeds. Like, what's going on with that? Like Exceeds and shit. Like back in my day, we didn't have those. I'm only missing one. Wait, let me put them in order. So I can do this real quick. Shut up. Yeah. Scott Pilgrim 1 through 2. Wait, yeah, Scott Pilgrim 2 technically through 5 is what I meant. But like, you know, I got like, yeah. That's actually a stack of manga. That's not. And then if you remember these things, like from when your father was like a pervert hollering at your mom at a county fair. It's one of these things. Oh, yeah, you go. No, oh, wait. Oh, you stuck it right there. There you go. You know, I like this guy.